Bola Benaka and happy Constitution Day. For 8 years, this document, our Fijian Constitution, has served as the foundation of a united Fiji. It is a living document. And every day of the past 8 years, it has been the guiding star for our mission to empower every Fijian. It is the promise that we are one people, the assurance that those most vulnerable will be protected, and the contract that guarantees the equal value of the votes we cast in elections. Today, as common, equal, and patriotic Fijians, we proudly mark its anniversary. Before we get started this evening, I want to thank the young people who joined this year's Our Constitution Challenge and His Excellency the President for leading this year's student competition. It is a great thing to have leadership that calls on the young minds of the country. But it is a far greater thing to see young Fijians respond to that call with enthusiasm to embrace our highest ideals. Vinakavagalevu to our 9 student winners for teaching us how the right to social protection schemes is changing lives for the better across Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to welcome you to the first draw of our Win Together sweepstake, a national lottery for Fijians who have been fully vaccinated against COVID-19. I have said it before and I will say it again. The best reward for being vaccinated isn't money. It is the protection that vaccines provide against a deadly virus and the lives that they save. This national lottery is our thank you to the Fijians who are taking the time to follow the signs, to register, and become fully vaccinated. According to the laws of Fiji, a police officer has to be on site to supervise any sort of raffle. We did not want to take any chances, so we went right to the top and asked our Commissioner of Police, Brigadier General Sitiven Ingilio, to be here to make sure there's no funny business tonight. So, Commissioner, let me be perfectly clear about how this lottery will work. The application window for this first draw was open for 60 hours from Saturday, 28 August at 5 p.m. until the morning of 31st August at 5 a.m. with a strict limit of 1 application per phone. Behind me on screen is an electronic number generator. It will run through every entry to select one number from the 104,000 fully vaccinated Fijians who applied to enter this contest. And tonight's lucky winner will win $8,000 in honor of the 8th anniversary of our Fijian Constitution. Now let's get going. Please, can we run the generator to see who wins our first draw? Congratulations to Lorraine Ringamoto. Congratulations and thank you for being fully vaccinated. Thanks to you and the 566,285 adults in Fiji who have received both doses, we are well on our way to a Fiji that is safer and lives that are more familiar than today. Now that more than half of all eligible adults have both doses, we have moved the curfew hours to 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. The more Fijians we vaccinate, the more lives we will save and the more freedoms we can restore. That means getting our houses of worship back open. That means playing sports again and getting our businesses fully open, fully restoring our freedom to move and gather, and reopening Fiji to our friends around the world. We are close, Fiji, but we need to finish the job. As of tonight, over 96% of adults in Fiji have received one dose. But one dose is not enough. We have to make sure all of these folks get the full protection of 2 doses. If you have 1 dose, do not skip dose number 2. When you are fully vaccinated, not only will you be more protected against COVID-19, you will be eligible to enter our next draw on Fiji Day, where we will have more opportunities for more fully vaccinated Fijians. We will be awarding a total of $51,000 in prize money to 10 winners. So $5,100 each in honor of our 51st anniversary of independence. Now we have been able to contact our winner. Lorraine Ringamoto. Yes. Congratulations on your win.
Thank you.
You can hear me. Where do you live?
In Rewanga.
Rewanga.
Yes.
Thank you. If you are one of the many thousands of people scheduled to be fully vaccinated before 10th October, of course, don't miss your chance to be part of the next draw. And keep an eye on the Fijian government Facebook page and website, and keep your ears open to the radio for details on how and when to apply. Congratulations again, Lorraine.
Okay.
Have a good night. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you for joining us, and God bless you all. Vinaka.